Hi guys, today I'm sharing my viewpoint on Zacurate. Today I'm sharing my viewpoint on Zacurate. It is a finger pulse oximeter. It shows you two readings, your blood oxygen level, the saturation level, and also the heart rate. So guys, I'll show you what all you receive in the box. Here is the meter. I like the fact that it comes with this very soft, silicone kind of a cover, which is very apt for travel. If you want to pack it in a suitcase, carry it in your handbag. This also has this thread, which makes it convenient for you to just carry it around your neck. You have lesser chances of losing it. You also get this manual, which gives you all the directions as to how to use this, how to maintain it, like basic things, to keep it away from dust and all. And here is the meter. You also get two AAA batteries which go here. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. We're going to turn it on. Here is the power button, and I'm going to place my finger right here, and all it takes is 5 to 10 seconds. So we'll just gotta wait for it. After 5 to 10 seconds, it displays your the blood saturation level, oxygen level on the top, and beneath it you can see the heart rate, the pulse rate. And guys, once you release the finger, it's gonna automatically be shutting off. You need not power switch it off separately. Guys, that's Zacurate, an ideal oximeter, for people who are looking at very convenient, easy to understand, easy to use, convenient to travel, and very accurate oximeter.